In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom jump cut in DaVinci Resolve, and I'm going for the simplest way because there are more complicated ways to do this. This to me is just the easiest. So step one, obviously have a clip, and then we're going to jump over to the edit section. And now you want to find the start of where you want to zoom in. So let's just say it's over here for reference. Go to the cut tool over here and just click on that spot. And then click on where you want it to end. Now we go back to the pointer and we are going to just click on a clip to be safe and then adjust our zoom. Now you can adjust position and things like that for your face, but here it's just a top view picture, so no need for that. And after generating a proxy, which I completely forgot to do, this is what the video will look like. And again, as I say with all of these, adjust to your preference. You can get some very cool zoom ins here. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. Don't forget to make those proxies, and I'll see you in the next video.